A rich man sees a poor man fishing by the sea with only 2 fish in his bucket. He looks at him and says,
Why don't you fish more? You can make more money.
The fisherman said,
Because I have enough.
but the businessman said,
You don't.
If you fish more, you can buy a boat.
And then?
Then you can catch more fish, hire workers, and buy more boats.
And then?
Then you'll build a fishing empire, open offices, and sell globally.
And then?
Then you'll make millions, retire early, and live in a quiet village by the sea.
the fisherman looked at the businessman and said,
But that's exactly what I'm doing now.
we always want more money, more success. But sometimes happiness comes from saying, I have enough. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.